Hey everybody, Mikey here. Holy smokes. I had to take down a video. It's the first time I've ever had to take down a video. Actually, I really didn't have to take it down. Got a very polite phone call to take down the video. And which video? Well, actually a video I uploaded yesterday. It was trending, it was doing very good. It got 27,000 views in less than 24 hours. It was still averaging about 2,000 views an hour. And then, yeah, I got a very polite phone call. Very polite phone call, actually, believe it or not, requesting for me to take it down. Which sucks, because it was doing very good and you guys were really liking it. So I don't know if you guys will be able to see the video, or I'm still working on it, working on emails, bouncing back, calling people, trying to pull some strings to see if I can get that video back up for you guys. But as of right now, it is down. So if you have got a link and you know the link's dead, it's because there's no video and you're watching this video, which trust me isn't as good. But I just want to let you guys know that I'm working hard to get that video back up. I do apologize. I can't apologize for the video because I like the video, but I do apologize if that my video got anybody in trouble. I really do, honestly. Here I don't want to cause any drama or anything, but yeah, so I'm working hard to get the video back up, guys. I want to just send a big thank you to everybody in the community that supported and watching videos. I love you guys. I feel terrible that I had to take a video down because it doesn't affect me as much as it affects you guys. Well, actually, it does affect me a bit, but what was that? Was that Beach 1900? Okay, folks, so back to regular scheduled programming. I got a very cool video that I've also shot. Trust me, hopefully this one won't get me in any trouble. Maybe that's a new trend. I'll just make videos that get me in trouble. But anyway, I got a new Planesavers video coming in. I'm going to promise to get you that video by the end of the week, just because I had to get rid of the last one. And funny enough, I never numbered that one a Planesavers episode. So the video that I took down, actually I didn't number as a Planesavers episode. I don't know if many people watched that, but yeah, sorry for being so cryptic. I just don't want to mention any names or anything. But yeah, hopefully we'll get to see that video soon. It will be Mikey's lost video, and hopefully we'll get to see it soon. We'll see you guys in the next video. That's all I'll be commenting about this situation right now until I have better news for you, or any news, or I might never ever hear or see that video again. But hopefully that's not true. This isn't a marketing stunt, please, folks. This was a legitimate thing. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoying the warm weather wherever you are. I am probably not even allowed to tell you what the temperature is out right now, but as you can see from my nose and my breath that it's cold. And we'll see you guys very soon. I'm not in jail, at least not yet. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.